Okay, so now in this video, we're going to look at how to access your forgotten codes. If you want to access ancestral strengths, ancestral resourcefulness that you didn't know you had, here's how to do it. To reconnect with the forgotten codes, get curious about your lineage. Ask the older members of your family who are still, while they are still around, about your ancestors. Not just the names and the dates, but who were they? What did they survive? What was their gifts? Really be curious about these people as people and not just some obscure people who used to be, because that's what you're going to be one day. And if you don't have access to that information, if records were lost, if your family was displaced, or if you were adopted, you can still connect. I mean, I have found Ancestry.com has been really, really brilliant. And I have to say as well, using AI and asking those questions in AI, that they can, interrogate the census and, records from different countries. And so through meditation and through imagination and through simply asking, what strengths do I carry from those who came before me? And sometimes in meditation and just in being quiet and allowing answers to emerge, the answers might surprise you. And that takes us to our fourth code, how to thaw the frozen codes. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.